Today, we review the best digital pianos under $1,000 that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Casio PX770 Privia Digital Home Piano. The first thing you'll notice about the Casio PX770 is its beautiful and elegant design. The next thing you'll appreciate is its quality weighted keys and the simulated ebony and ivory textures, which has it feel and sound just like a real piano.
Number 2.
Yamaha DGX 660 Digital Grand Piano. Another piano that comes in an all-white finish is the Yamaha DGX 660, another excellent choice because of its authentic feel and sound. It has the pure CF sound engine and the GHS weighted action.
Number 3.
Flychord DP330 Digital Piano. The reason why we put the Flychord DP330 as the best digital piano under $1,000 is that of its many functions to choose from. It has the hundreds of voices.
Number 4.
The One Smart Keyboard Pro. The One Smart Keyboard Pro is part of our list of the best digital piano under $1,000 because of its intelligence capabilities. It doesn't only have the quality speakers and the flu-sized hammer action keys.
Number 5.
Casio PX870BK Privia Digital Home Piano. I appreciate how the Casio PX870BK Privia Digital Home Piano surpasses expectations. It has the ebony and ivory feel and weighted action keys, as well as adjustable response to change according to your preference.